Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step assembling of this beautiful makeup vanity desk, whether you are setting it up for the first time or just want to make sure you're doing it right. I have got you covered. So grab your tools and let's get started. Unbox all parts and test the mirror light to ensure it's working properly. Now connect panel number 2 left side with panel number 7 using C-type screws at the bottom. Make sure the flat side of C-type screw faces upward and D-type screws on the side. Tighten all screws firmly using a screwdriver. Position panel number 4 so that the two large holes are on the upper side. Insert C-type and D-type screws. Making sure the flat side of the C-type screw faces upward. Tighten all screws securely using a screwdriver. Place panel 6 upright between panel 2 and 4, then secure it using screw C and D, tighten them. Position panel 5 with the marked line on the top and the small hole facing forward, secure it with screw C and D. A light long sheet not labeled on panels, inserted by aligning the lines. Prepare panel 8 with its 4 large holes at the bottom, secure it using screw C and D. Attach panel 3 to panel 8, aligning the two large holes at the top of panel 3. Secure it with screw D only. Take panel 9, insert C screws into its 4 holes, place it in a position, then tighten with D screws. Take panel 10 with the holes facing the back, insert C screws and tighten with D screws. C CL, CR, DL, and DR are already marked, and J1 inside the packet is already mentioned. To fit the CL and CR at panel, the holes were small, so we used a drill machine to make them deeper. We rotated the desk for easier access and then assembled CL and CR by inserting screw J and tightening it. Repeat the same process on the other long side. Since the holes were small, so we used a drill to deepen them. The aligned CL and CR inserted screw J and then tightened it. Place panel 1 on top to check the fit, but don't fix it yet, we'll secure it later. Stand panel 20 vertically on the smaller side top of panel 1, then secure it using screws C and D. Place panel 22 in front of panel 20, then fix them together using screw C and D. Take the two panels number of 23 with holes facing downward, fix them in a place using screw C and D. Place panel 24 on the top of the uppermost panel 23. Make sure the holes are on the back side. They were mistakenly shown on the front in the video. Once positioned correctly, secure it using screw C and D. Stand panel 21 vertically on the panel 1 and secure it using screw C and D. Place panel 25 in between, then screw it using screws C and D. Now place panel 12 on the top of panel 5 and screw it with the single screw edge placed underneath the hole on panel 5, then attach handle I to the door panel 12. Assemble panels 15, 16 and 28 using 4 screws E. Ensure all the marked lines face inward and align with the holes on panel 15 positioned at the front. Then insert the blank sheet, thick cardboard sheet inside, aligning it with the marked lines. Attach DL to panel 15 using screw J. The holes for DL should be at the upper back side of the door. Attach DR to panel 16 in the same way using screw J. Take panel 13 and align it with the marked lines, then attach handle I using screw F. Then on panel 13, use the B circle screw and the A long screw together to secure it tightly. For panel 15, 17 and 28, align the lines as shown around the small drawer space. Use the A and B combination to fix panels. Then again use the A and B combination to fix panel 1. First insert A under the panel 1 and tighten it. Then insert B into the drawers beneath panel 1. Finally push A into B and tighten it. Take the mirror and mark the hole positions with the marker. Use a drill to make holes in the mirror and then secure it with nails. And there you have it, our vanity desk is fully assembled and ready to use. I hope this video made the process easier for you.